Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this pretty shimmery holiday look. And I'm using a few new products that I just discovered, so I'm very excited. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Today I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Very beautiful, very fresh. I love her shadows so much. I will never stop buying these palettes. Stila glitter shadow in Kitten Karma. Since I want to be extra for the holidays, I grabbed another one. It's called Diamond Dust and it's more of a silver color. So we're gonna pop that green spot. Now we're gonna do Sephora liquid liner. Now I'm going to put the same shadows that are on top of my lid underneath just to blend everything out. Start with a warm taupe color.
My contacts get so dry when I do this. That's worth it.
Something about the maroon color with brown eyes. I think it makes brown eyes pop more. Not just brown eyes, any color. And we're gonna go in with black stencil liner. Huda Beauty. Thing for the eyes, mascara. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Sensational. We're gonna use the It Cosmetics bronzer first. I'm gonna bake a little bit underneath. And I'm gonna wipe it a little bit just so it's not too chiselly. Selena Gomez's Rare Beauty blush in Happy is so beautiful. You don't need a lot. It's really like 2 dots. And blend it right away. I don't really get a lot in that one. I usually take a stippling brush and just make sure it's champagne poppy. It's broken, but it will still work. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Liquid Highlight. I'm going to use the KKW lip liner in, I believe this is Nude 1. Then I'm gonna go in with Kylie's liquid lipstick in Bare. I'm gonna top that off with one more. I'm gonna use Honeymoon. It's just like a NYX matte lipstick. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist for my setting spray. It smells really good. Take my cat ears off, let my hair down, do my hair flip, and you're ready for the holidays. So this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.